In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy here and tap on Permission Manager. Now it's time to select one of your device's features to manage. Click on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. After you decided, just go back. If you want to manage one of your apps instead of one of your features, tap on the chosen one. Select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!